Here we have a T-Rex skeleton. It looks so cool. You can do everything with it. You can explore with it. And obviously you wanna do with it. Explode it. Ah! Why did the leg just break? Robot, we can't really take it. But something's wrong with us. What do you mean? You guys look fine. No! Not these again! Not the mutants! No! 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 Please! Please! Tease me! I'm gonna kill! Ah! 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 We finally made it in space. Been a long time since we've been in a rocket. Man, that thing crashed before. Oh, but at least we landed here. It didn't really hurt too much. I don't know, how did we just land there? We don't even have parachutes. Why doesn't even hurt? I don't know. But let's go explore. Let's go. Oh, okay, you're running. It's gonna explode if you're running. Bruh. Space can't explode. We're on the moon right now. Yeah, I guess you're right. We're definitely on the moon. Please help me. Ah! I finally made it in space. And what? Why are there dead people? Now they're gone. I could have sworn my friends were here. Wait, did they die? Oh no. I gotta go save them. They're at the kidnaps. Go save them. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna go. Whee! You're the one who kidnapped my friends. No, I am not the one who kidnapped your friends. It's too late that you came in here. I'm already about to C4. Please don't kill my friends. Ah! No, my friend. Wait, this guy is still alive. Why do I see some blue glowing stuff? What was that? Wait, no. Oh my god, what are you? Ow! No! play Roblox. It's opening. I like Roblox. I accidentally got out in the screen. And what is this? Rainbow Friends Chapter 2? It's been a while since we met the Rainbow Friends. Oh well, I'm gonna go play it. Game crash because I'm playing on TV. No. Oh well, time to kill the mutants then.